Hi, my name is Pam Denny. I'm a Senior Analytics Architect with the IBM Maximo development team, and I'm so excited for our discussion this morning on the Maximo 7.6 Cognos 11 certification and the introduction of this certification using Maximo's continuous delivery model. I'll start with an overview of a few different slides describing this new certification, and then we'll move right into a demonstration. Before I get started, I want to highlight IBM's disclaimer slide. I will be mentioning future functionality in the presentation today, but please remember nothing is committed to for functionality until the Maximo release is actually delivered. So let's get started. Beginning with Maximo 7.6, all Maximo clients are directly entitled to the Cognos 10.2 BI Server product. It's a fabulous feature, a fabulous entitlement, and it gives end users the ability to dynamically interact with Maximo content within the Cognos BI Server tools. But Cognos has recently made some major changes. They've introduced the new Cognos 11 or Cognos Analytic releases, which includes new features and products that have a very modern user interface, are very responsive, and include tools directly targeting business users or power users within Maximo. Because of this, we have moved forward and are introducing a Maximo 7.6 Cognos 11 certification. The certification includes a couple of key points that I want to review with everyone. First are the requirements. In terms of the requirements, the client must have their own Cognos 11 license. The Cognos 11 license is not currently included with the Maximo 7.6 releases. Secondly, the client must utilize Active Directory or LDAP. That's very important for our security authentication between Maximo and Cognos. Again, you must use Active Directory and LDAP. Maximo security, including the MXCSP namespace for Cognos, is not included in this certification. And lastly, you must be on Maximo 7605 or higher. We're introducing the certification with Maximo 7609, the November 2017 release, but again, the certification applies all the way back to 7605 or higher. Along with this certification, there's two important points that are not included with this. First is the Cognos package publishing from Maximo's integration framework. Again, being able to take a Maximo report object structure and automatically transform that into a Cognos package, a CPF file, is not included with the certification. And also any Maximo Cognos content that was delivered for specifically Cognos 10, including workspaces, models, and reports, are not included in the 7.6 certification. I want to highlight the importance of the continuous delivery model. It was very, very important for us to enable clients with their own Cognos 11 licenses today to enable this certification. So again, that's available starting this November with the 7609 release and backported through 7605. And then the other features that many of you are familiar with for Maximo 7.6 with Cognos 10, including the package publishing, the MXCSP or Maximo Security namespace, will be available in a future release starting in 2018. Again, that's the content that I'm talking about, future functionality and roadmap. That's not committed to at this time, but we do want you to know that we are actively working on that, and our initial plans are that will be available in 2018. So how can you find out more information about this? Well, there's a new Maximo 7.6 Cognos Analytics installation guide. If you have these requirements, this guide will be able to step you through the process of integrating your Maximo 7.6 environment with Cognos 11, and we're specifically integrating with Cognos 11 FixPack 7. So let me show you how the integration works. I'm going to navigate over here to a browser that I'm currently signed in as Maximo admin. And when I want to access Cognos from a Maximo environment, there's a number of different places I can access it from within an application outside of Maximo. But the process that I'm going to use today is from the menu. So from my Start Center menu, I simply go to Analytics, Cognos Reporting. Now there's a couple of key things that you're going to see here. This is a, oh goodness, I'm signed out. Excuse me. Let me try that again. Here we go. I am going to try that one more time. Analytics, Cognos reporting. Here we go. A couple of key things that you're going to see is my silent pop-up window in the back, but also this environment is actually configured for a number of different namespaces. That's really important. If you have a Cognos license, you might want to consolidate your namespaces so your users don't have to see this. But in this case, I am selecting my LDAP namespace. Again, that's totally dependent on how your environment is configured. Then I'm just going to sign in. And what you're going to see, you immediately see this new Cognos interface. But I love the new responsive design of the Cognos Analytics. Again, this is Cognos11. And in the next demonstrations, I'll show some of the key features that Maximo is working to expand upon with Cognos, including having the user's ability to import data, a data set, directly into Cognos and create their own Maximo Cognos dashboard. It's so exciting. So again, this is a brief introduction to the Maximo 7.6 Cognos 11 certification, available with these specific requirements. I just want to highlight those requirements one last time. You must have your own Cognos 11 license, have Active Directory or LDAP. You must be on Maximo 7.6 or 5 or higher. And the certification does not include Cognos package publishing from Maximo or the delivered Maximo content. So with that, I'd like to thank you so much for your time.